We grow rice. This is how our daily life goes. When there are landslides, the canal in our village is washed away, and this makes it impossible to irrigate our fields. The effects of climate change are becoming more tangible in Kyrgyzstan. The number of mudslides, floods, landslides, droughts, or early frosts increase yearly. This causes significant damage to agriculture and affects the country's food security. That is why building resilience to climate change or adaptation to its consequences is vital. As a mountainous country, Kyrgyzstan is one of the most vulnerable countries in the region to the negative effects of climate change. We live close to the hill. When it rains heavily, all the water from the hill goes down into the village and our canal washes away. Batken province is most vulnerable to climate change. In the worst-case scenario, up to 54% of its territory could become unusable for agriculture, 17.65% of which could turn into deserts. At the same time, the spring season in Batken province is always accompanied by heavy precipitation, causing mud flows that lead to a great damage to farmers as they destroy irrigation canals. We must admit that crops suffer not only from natural disasters, but also from a lack of water. Due to the poor technical conditions and damaged irrigation systems, the use of inefficient technologies, and irrational irrigation methods, up to 40% of irrigation water is lost on the way to fields. The 33-kilometer Kayındı Canal is the only one that provides water for irrigating the lands of our villagers. It was built in 1964. Since then, it has never been repaired, and now we are rehabilitating it. This will allow us to save up to 60% of irrigation water during its transportation. To strengthen resilience and reduce losses from climate change in the targeted communities of the Batken province engaged in the agriculture, the UN Development Program, with the financial support of the Russian Federation and in close collaboration with the government of the Kyrgyz Republic and local authorities, is implementing the project Strengthening Climate Resilience of the Batken province of the Kyrgyz Republic through the introduction of climate-smart irrigation and mud flow protection measures, which is a part of the National Adaptation Plan of the Kyrgyz Republic. Total budget is $900,000. Duration 2019 to 2020. Geographical coverage: 7 municipalities in 3 districts of Batken Oblast. Tortkul Village Territory and Samarkandek Village Territory in Batken District, Alga Village Territory, Markas Village Territory, Oruzbekov Village Territory in Kadamjay District, Aksu Village Territory, and Kulunda Village Territory in Leylek District. Implementing partners are the Agency of Hydrometeorology under the Ministry of Emergency Situations of the Kyrgyz Republic and local self-governments. Main components of the project: 1. Improve the quality of meteorological forecasting and its application at the local level. 2. The introduction of new technologies for more efficient water use and water metering, and the implementation of measures to restore and protect on-farm irrigation systems. 3. Raising awareness of climate resilience, water-saving technologies, and climate-smart agriculture and disaster risk reduction.